Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your speaker Anker Soundcore 3. So let's start with the change volume. You can increase the volume by pressing plus button. As you can see, I'm pressing and I increase the volume. You can lower the volume by pressing minus button on your speaker. Here we go. Now let's go to SoundCloud. Now, if you press one time, you will play and pause the song. Now I pause the song, and if I press one time on multifunctional button, I play the song. If I press two times, I will play next song. Here we go. And if I press three times, I will play previous song. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on the multifunctional button. And if you press one time more, you will reject a call. Also, you can reject a call. If someone called to you, you can press and hold for at least 2 seconds to reject a call. Here we go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!